All right, today I have a Toyota Yaris and I'm going to give an overview of the heating and cooling system in this vehicle. But before we get started, if you found my content helpful, could you give me a thumbs up and also subscribe to my channel? I'll appreciate it tremendously. All right, so let's get started. I'm going to do this really brief. Right here, this first knob right here is the directional flow of air right here. You can have it go on your face, all right, face and feet, and windshield to defrost, or just the windshield right here to defrost. And in the middle, you have the air recirculation right here. This recirculates the air in the vehicle. All right. Right here is the fan speed. 0 is off, and you can take it all the way up to 4. All right. Right here is how you defrost the rear window. All right. By pressing that button, have it light up. And then right here is temperature control. Right here, do you see that? And then you can go all the way to the end, and that's for max AC use. And to turn the AC on, press that button. All right, let me know if you have any questions.